Hi everyone, my name is Justin and welcome to my course, Working with Data Types in R. I am a mechatronics engineer and I'm currently an engineering professor at Sheridan College. Prior to this, I have many years of engineering and consulting experience across numerous industries. This course is a beginner-level course for learning the fundamentals of working with data types in R. So some prior knowledge of R might be beneficial. Some of the major topics that we will cover include understanding data types and structures in R, working with scalars and vectors in R, working with factors and lists within R, working with data frames, matrices, and arrays, and finally comparing and contrasting these data types and structures. By the end of this course, you will be proficient in the fundamental techniques required to work with different data types and structures in R. From here, continue your learning by diving into R and data science with courses on R programming fundamentals, data science with R, and exploratory data analysis with R. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about data types and structures with the Working with Data Types in R course at Pluralsight.